Okay, so now we're going to talk about drawing number 2. So I'm scrolling down to the packet again in the assignment here. Just to make it easy, I attached these handouts were given in class, but this is a digital copy. If you need to, again, you can zoom in to be able to read the dimensions a little bit clearer. On this one, I'm going to start by looking down. I'm going to model the top. So this is going to be the green axis. This is going to be the red axis from left to right, and this will be the green. And we'll end up pushing or pulling it up to create the height. So what this looks like, I'm going to start at the origin, go back 1.5, this way 5, back 3/4 of an inch. So let's get started. So I have a new blank document. I'm going to select my line tool right here, or you can press the L key. I'm going to drag back this way the 1.5 inches. You can either do it in a decimal form like this, 1.5 quotation, or you can do 1 space 1 divided by 2 quotation. If you want to do it in a fraction like this, make sure you put a space between the whole number 1 and the fraction 1/2. Okay, and press return. When you do, the line should get smaller. If you're really far out, the line will look really small. It's okay. Just zoom in. It zooms in wherever your mouse is, so go slow. All right, so now I'm going to come this way. This is going to be 5 inches, and I press return. Coming along the green axis, and you can even come it farther than if you want, because I'm going to type in the dimension. I'm going to come back here just to verify. This is the line, so I get the measurement right there. That is 3/4. Then I'm going to go along the right axis, 2.5, then 3/4, then 2.5. Okay, so I'm going to click here, coming this way. 3 divided by 4, or you can say 0.75, but you got to put the quotation mark and return. Coming back to the right axis, and it's 2.5, so 2.5 quotation, return. And coming back along the green axis, 3/4, so it's already there, so I'm just going to click and closing it. All right, so there's drawing number 2. All I got to do is pull up the 2.5 inches, return, zoom out a little bit so we can check it. And last thing, we've got to put these measurements in all in the same place. So I'm going to grab my dimension tool here, and it's this one here. Don't get confused by the tape measure. It's something else you learn about in drawing 3. So click, drag up. If the line turns blue, you can just click on it and drag up, drag out. These ones I'm just going to try to put them in the same level down, so they're all at the same level, so it's easy to read. What I mean by that is don't have one up here and then one down there. That kind of gets confusing to read. They're all at the same level. That's kind of what we want. Okay, so this is drawing number 2. I'm just going to check my document again, making sure I got my dimensions. I'm even going to count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Coming back to my drawing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'm going to orbit and move this around so that I can see it. Okay, and then there it is. So now you can go ahead and save this, name it as your period number. So if you're in period 8, I'd say 8, your name. I'm going to put, I would put Fetterman for my name. You put your name, DR, and this is DR2. Okay. And then you have to click OK. It doesn't save until you choose a place. I'm going to choose my Google Drive. Mine will look very different than yours. I'm going to find a folder to put in. Okay. You should have one called for your period. I'm just going to put it in this folder because I can't create it. All right, then you just go into the assignment here. You click on yours. You'll have an option on the right-hand side to add the work and add that SketchUp file as well as a screenshot so that I can see it. Thank you.